Thanks for having a look at the Qunote system. It is designed for anyone who needs to make clinical notes and wants access to those notes anywhere. All you need is a laptop, desktop or tablet computer and a connection to the internet. Qunote will manage your timesheets and your diary and keep all your client records. It allows you to share templates or forms that you use regularly and allows you to file documents, photos, or even short videos on the system to support your case notes. You control the permissions, so if you want to share your notes with others, you can. If someone is deputising for you or there's an urgent house call, they will have access to all the important information they need. Qunote is based around the file note. Simply click on Add a file note and start writing. It is saved automatically in the client's file. Your notes can be as long or as short as you like, and you can do this while you are with the client or on the way home on the train. You can make a file note privileged or not chargeable, and you can also add in codes so you can analyse your intervention by the contact type, by the people involved, and by the subject of the intervention. Then you make a note of any time spent writing up the file notes, travel time and costs, and any other expenses. All your notes are immediately available, so if after several years someone asks about a particular visit or medication, pop in the search term and the file note will pop up. Another useful feature is the flag for follow-up. Supposing you want to arrange for your assistant to call a plumber. Click on the button, write the note, and it will automatically appear in your assistant's to-do list. But the real time saver comes when you want to invoice. How long does it take you to do your billing each month? You've already set up the system with the funder's details. Choose a client, choose an invoice period, you can set it up automatically, and click Generate Invoice. In a couple of seconds, you'll have all the billable data for that client in report format. You can edit it, add notes or revise the figures. When you approve it, the invoice will then be presented in a format to go to your funder. You can choose then how much additional information you send with the invoice, according to your funder's wishes. It might just be the invoice plus a costs breakdown, or a full set of file notes. Qunote is a brilliant way of improving your efficiency. Our first user reported that they were able to increase their billings by 30% just by accounting for all their time properly. There are some 40 or so reports that you can produce, giving you a breakdown of your time spent with a client, the type of intervention, and profitability. It can also give you performance indicators for each case manager's workload, show where they're going well, and where perhaps they need a little help. And we've given independent caseworkers their own activity report. You can bar your freelancers from seeing your statistics, but when they come to invoice you, they can print off their complete activity report in respect of each client and attach it to their invoice. It will match your own records exactly, and you'll know that whatever they are billing for, there is an invoice going out to your funders. We know you'll love Qunote. It was built for one of the UK's major case management firms, and it has been modified and enhanced to improve its usability. Try it free by clicking on the free trial button on this page.